been thinking about all the things you do.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from foodie.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a more traditional style Greek salad. So we do not need lettuce. This is mostly what we need, and traditionally we use blocked feta cheese, but I just have the crumbles, so it's not totally traditional, but it's closer to it. So anyways, so we're going to start by peeling our cucumber. We also washed it well. We cut it in half and then cut it in half lengthwise, and then I slice them up like this, kind of a more chunky style, because I want something to really hold on to the rest of the ingredients, since we do not have that lettuce as the base. So that's why I cut them kind of big. And then you also want to slice up your Kalamata olives, and I did it kind of a chunky style as well. I also sliced some tomato wedges off camera, some green pepper, diced green pepper, and red onion slices. All the ingredients are going to be listed in the recipe on my blog as always. Not sure why I did it off camera, but apparently I didn't capture it, so that's my bad. Alright, so I added in a little bit of salt. You don't need much since there's salty olives and feta. And then I also added in some dried oregano. If you can get fresh oregano at your local market, that'd be great. And then I just gave it a toss, and then I drizzled on top the olive oil and red wine vinegar mixture. I just mixed it up in a measuring cup and then drizzled it on top. Alright, and I drizzle it in because I really want the veggies to shine. And that's pretty much it. So the full recipe will be on foodie.com. Comment below if you have any comments or questions, and like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. Until next time, have a wonderful day.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. But we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from every